We've just released into the 3D Anatomy Viewer project the surface anatomy of the bovine. So this will let you highlight and select the important anatomical landmarks of the surface anatomy of the cow. And we've included in there both layman terms as well as medical terms for these areas. So really important to know just as a basis of your anatomy of the cow. And also I hope it will be a really useful project for people teaching anatomy in terms of understanding the internal anatomy, as well as how different conditions can manifest on different sides of the cow for things like displaced abomasums and so forth. Something else to mention as well is that we've also added a zoom sensitivity option here. So if you're using a trackpad on a laptop and you're finding that the zoom is a little bit too sensitive or not sensitive enough, you can come into the settings panel here and change the zoom sensitivity there. In terms of where to find this content on Ivana Learn, it's in the library under the 3D Anatomy Viewer, and in the actual project it's found under ruminant and bovine surface anatomy. And if you're a VIN member, the easiest place to find it is in the Student Centre under the Anatomy Interactive Content tile. And once you're on that page, then just opening up the Super Project or the Learn Anatomy in 3D project here will bring you to this exact same content.